welcome to this week's Rev Auto. Just at the camper right now, getting things ready to go to the car show. Probably won't go get the car. It's kind of overcast and really crappy, so kind of sucks. But we're just gonna go and walk around and have a good time. So try to get a couple of things of footage of that and see how it goes. So let's get at it. Clip before this one here, there wasn't too many cars. It was very cold. Like I said, it was about low 40s and really bad wind chill, so it was kind of a bus. So I do apologize. On a brighter note, I did get my Aeroforce Gauge in, so I'm gonna kind of show you that, and then we'll plug it in, hook it up, and see if it works. So let's cross fingers. Okay guys, so here you can see the Aeroforce Gauge. And huge shout out to them guys. They are freaking awesome. I had a gauge here. It's hard to see, but it's all yellowed and discolored. And they gave me a brand new one just for free. I mean, I really do appreciate that. So huge shout out to that. I'll put their link down in the bottom here. But them guys over there are awesome. I think I forget the guy that I was working with. It was two different guys. So do appreciate that. So I'm going to hook this thing up. And also, I did have it switch from red accent to blue accent, so it'll match all my other gauges. So I'm going to plug this thing in, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, so have it plugged in and installed. I'm going to put the key in here. Actually, I'm going to shut the door. You can see it's starting up. There's the Aeroforce. and intake temp and coolant set up. I'm gonna mess with trans temp, MAF counts. Looks like it needs fully set up, so I'm gonna go in here and oops. It's platform 1. Whoops. Oh, so now I'm going to have to go through here and uncheck the ones that I do not want done. So I'm going to do that quick, and basically you're just going to go in here and like I want those trans temp I do not need. Cylinder head temp. MAF I don't need. Volts, engine load, throttle, mile per hour, knock, boost. The boost will not work on this one because I do not have it hooked up. And when I was saying before, there's 2 signal wires that you can plug in. The one is the boost and the other one is the air fuel ratio. So that currently does not work. There's battery voltage, which I already have that right there, so I don't need that. Fuel pressure, trans, mile per gallon, good. So I'm gonna do that. It's gonna restart here. And then also you can put in like a shift light. I'll kind of show you that. This is all probably shown before. I'm just going to kind of go over it quick. I'm just kind of excited about it. Actually could get this thing. Whoops, hit the wrong one. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I'm going to do P1 only. And I'm going to do RPM. And then exit. And then value, I'm going to do, let's see here, 6,400 RPMs. There we go. Above. Exit. And now this is turned on, so anytime I rev it above 6,400 RPMs, these 2 little lights up here are going to go off. So now it's currently intake temp, which you can change charge temp, coolant, RPM, intake air. I think I'm going to do it intake air and then coolant. So I'm going to keep it there. And yeah, it looks freaking awesome. I'm going to turn this back off. And you can see it turns back off. So obviously this thing is working perfectly. So as you can see, I just got the Aeroforce Gauge fixed up, cleaned up, and installed. Turned out really, really good. Really happy with it. Shout out again to those guys for sending me a brand new face. The stock one that I had was all messed up and really yellowed out. So I just really do appreciate that. Probably going to email them and just thank them for doing that for me. So just huge shout out. If you're looking for anything with the multi-gauge functionality like that, definitely give them a call. They are really good customer service, and they try to make sure you're really happy with their product. So definitely would look into that.